Hello, this is Smarter Prepping with Uncle Mark, and I'm Uncle Mark. Can you do the mathematics here? Can you multiply 9 times 6? See, because each shelf holds 9 gallons left to right and 2 gallons deep. So each shelf holds 9 times 2, and there's 3 shelves. So 9 times 6, all right? Oh, 9 times 6 is 54. So that bookcase, by the way, I built that bookcase by hand myself about 40 years ago. Uncle Mark, you built that 40? Yes, 40 years ago when I was a very young man. Yes. Anyway, so it's been improved. It's, anyway, been modified. So you see that? See, it holds 56 gallons. 9 times 6 is, 54 gallons. 9 times 6 is 54. 54. Okay. However, there are 2 missing, so it's 52. But in the fridge, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half, whatever. But just go ahead and round down and say, Uncle Mark has 50 gallons of water on hand. And for the foreseeable future, I plan to keep 50 gallons of bottled water on hand at all times. That's what I plan. That's the plan. Approximately 50. A little more, a little less. Okay, there we go. See? And I use it from oldest to newest. The oldest to the bottom, the newest is at the top. No, the newest at the top, I'm sorry. Newest at the top. Well, long story, but the oldest is that top shelf. That's why I already started using from the top shelf, right? And when I get done with that top shelf, I'll go to the bottom one, and then the next one up, and I work my way around like that. It's crazy. It's just the Uncle Mark method. It goes from right to left instead of left to right. It goes bottom to top. So, but I finish off the top, then I'll go back to the bottom. And then the middle and the top, right to left. Alrighty then. I always like to say when I close these off, see, I say smarter prepping. You don't have this other stash of water. No. Your stash of water is the water you are using. There's no separate stash. That's the water. When I need water, I grab from there. Oldest to newest. I grab the oldest bottles from here when I need more water in the fridge. Right, right, right. Okay, I like to say, to close these videos, my sweet wife Tanya is no longer with us. Back in the day, she liked to say, later, tater.